The Chief Sales Officer Oliver Salas will tell us all about ano ba dapat may expect and yung mga distances na pwede nilang salihan.
Okay, so our race, we call it a race weekend. But for some athletes or majority of the athletes, we call it racecation. So it's a race and vacation where you can bring your family, your supporters in Subic. So that's one good thing about this event. So talking about the distances, we are offering actually three. So we have the sprint distance, the 750 open water swim, we have the 20-kilometer bike, and then the 5K run. So it's very ideal for beginners, for coaches, ito yung kanila nare-recommend. And of course, doon sa mga gusto lang na makabalik din, like kay Miss Cara, pwedeng get rin yung distance niya. No? So, and then we have the Olympic or standard distance. So, double the distance of the sprint. So that's 1.5 kilometer open water swim, to be followed by 40-kilometer bike and then 10-kilometer run. So those are the two major categories that we are offering. And the third one, ito yung mga
masaya to.
Oh, masaya.
Barkadahan to
yes. Yes, and then I would like to highlight na this team that will be joining. I think there are about 12 or 15 relay teams, the SPH team. They're here. Maraming salamat. So, when I asked them, bakit sobrang major goal nila or major categories relay? Because this team is a family team. So, nandito yung husband and wife, and then yung daughter or son, pwede rin dito. So, it's a relay team, it's a 3-man relay team. So, each distances or each discipline, meron tayong athletes, sir. And then, this is also a good category for those who have background na in swimming, in running, and in biking. But for example, wala ka pang bike, or hindi ka pa confident sa distance ng bike natin, or you're just into a running pa lang, but intend to become a triathlete someday, ito yung best category that you can bring some friends. Ito na po, di na pumapasok yung budol. So, parang, join tayo, di ba? But, yun nga, yung experience talaga dito yung ito pa yung triathlon. So, yun siya. So, and then we have 2 days. So, first day natin, race kit claiming, where you can get all your stuff, the kit inclusions at Sigara Hotels. And then, Sunday, we'll start, I think, around mga 5:30, 5 o'clock opening transition natin for the actual race.
Thanks, Wally. I think ulitin lang natin, no? We also started this run race route last year. We're still passing through a route that features yung pancake flat roads leading to our official run course partner. Exclusive ito for MTC Dai, the Segara Villas, para at least scenic yung run na gagawin natin. I tried that last year also. Mahirap, pero masaya.
Mahirap na masaya.
Mahirap na masaya.
Yun naman ang pinaka-rewarding dito,
yes,
diba?
Yes, yun yung pinaka-rewarding talaga. So we wanna...
Ano yung distance ng relay, by the way?
Ang distance na relay natin is standard distance. So you do the 1.5 swim for the swimmer, then the biker will do the 40-kilometer bike, and then yung ating runs is the 10-kilometer. So also the family of Attorney Dong, ito yung kanilang relay, yung category. And yun nga, hope that everyone can also join. So yung mga gusto pa mag-try ng relay.
So yung relay, hindi na separate yung female-male mix?
We have different categories. So we have all female, all male, and mixed. So one of the good things that we are offering here in My Daily Collagen is parang sabi nga parang kami nagpapamigay na ng podium awards. Because we want everyone to at least make this thing a memorable one. And naghihirap kayo, we know the trainings, the preparation. So we have more podium awards that we are offering for this race.
Okay, Paul, maybe we can ask, meron pa mga last questions na gusto ihabol from our friends, yes?
Okay.
Safe daw ba sa may medical conditions?
Yeah, for those who have medical conditions, as a standard practice, or at least if you have a coach, or if you have medical condition, we always suggest to seek a doctor's advice kung ano siya. And of course, makakatulong din if you have a coach that they can guide you kung ano yung capacity mo as a person, if you can already do the Olympic distance or short distance. So, yun.
Actually po, tuwing race day, yung mga host ng mga events natin, pinapaalala, nire-reiterate, kung meron kayong nararamdaman na kahit konting pagsikip ng dibdib or whatever, magdalawang isip kayo if you wanna continue with the race. Kasi kailangan
Safety
healthy ka.
first.
Safety first. Safety
And
first.
of course, I would like also to add, this additional safety measures that we're implementing every race. Each participant of my daily collagen triathlon are insured on the day itself. So whatever happens, you are insured po. So, but for ano lang naman yun, safety precautions.
Ano?
Pwedeng inumin ng mga may medical condition.
Yes po. Yun nga sir, meron lang kaming encounter usually pagka diabetic or ano, kasi meron siyang konting sugar because of the mango flavor. We recommend na consult lang din sa ano. But again sir, ano naman siya wala pa naman kami na encounter na mayroong medical condition tapos nagkaroon siya ng contraindications.
Ages. Hanggang
Okay,
ilang
okay,
taon.
ages. Okay, going back to the discussion that we had with our Japanese partners, naturally we have collagen, and then as we age, nababawasan na siya. So, based on our data that we gathered from the sales inquiries or order inquiries that we have, may mga bata na nagtitik ng may daily collagen. I think as young as 18, pero if you look at today, parang si Igo na yung sobrang active. So they just try to resupplement lang. For example, if you do long runs, long swimming joints mo, so doon na siya papasok. You need to resupplement it. And again, just to share din also na even without, before now, nung wala pa naman sa may daily collagen, if we eat mga foods like chicken feet, chicken wings, those are foods that are also good source of collagen. So, wala naman talaga siya, kumbaga may bata namang kumain ng chicken. Diba? Lite, diba? So wala naman talagang age siya. Kaya lang yun lang, kasi habang bata pa tayo, mas marami pa tayo supply ng collagen. But as we age, mas marami tayong activity, that's the time na kaya nandito si may daily collagen. Okay, good question. My daily collagen is available nationwide to all major retail partners. Number one, si Landers Superstore. I think we are the number one and best-selling collagen product inside Landers. Thank you, Landers. And of course, we are available nationwide. Available tayo sa Watsons, Mercury Truck. And recently, we're available lang last November, Shopwise, Marketplace. And we're also available in Michikoshi and other, in Visayas, we're widely available in Rose Pharmacy. And then in Mindanao, si HP1. So, ang maganda dito kasi sa may daily collagen, yung product natin is every time, every year, paganda na paganda yung ano natin sales natin. It's just to prove that nowadays, people are now more familiar with the brand and product. So,
thank you, Ollie. And now, Paul, pinag-uusapan natin kanina na My Daily Collagen Triathlon is not just about physical endurance. It's a celebration of ito, barkadahan, family, and community. And of course, the unyielding support and dedication of all our athletes. But we would also like to thank the sponsors na tumulong sa atin for this event.
Yeah,
Paul, go ahead.
sponsors for this year's event. Thank you to SBMA Tourism Department, Sagara Hotel, Lander Superstore, Hyper Ice, Sunto, Waiting, Sip Purified Water, Tito's Lechon, Vitargo, Two Hole Barbecue, and 3006.
I would also to add doon sa friends natin. We have here today Miss Hazel from White Flower and kay Pakwa. So, magpaparabol ka tayo.
Magandang umaga po.
And,
gusto natin yung White Flower.
Yes.
White flower and paper. Wow.
Yes, it will included in your race kits.
I love it.
Race kits, okay. Thank you, White Flower.
Kahit ng white flower.
Of course, yung ating Linis Peanut Butter.
Nandito na si Linis Peanut
May
Butter.
peanut butter
Si
pa.
Papa P.
Ang dami naman pa uwi today.
Grabe, iba talaga.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
And again, everyone, registration is still open. So kung gusto niyo sumali, please do join. March 9, mag-ramming na kayo ng training. O kung gusto niyo mag-relay, go.
Correct. Saka registered na ako dyan. I'm doing the sprint category for 30 to 39 years old. May mga mag-i-sprint pa dyan sa March 9. I'm gonna be your competitor that day. Pero sobrang excited na ako because MDC is committed to ensuring a safe, exhilarating, and unforgettable experience for every participant and support.
That's right. And thank you also to everyone for your questions. And sana nag-enjoy kayo ng lunch dahil